everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the credit limit assigned to new Bank of Singapore's credit card. So what actually determines your credit card limit in Singapore is that to control the debt level and encourage responsible use of credit, the Monetary Authority of Singapore has put regulations and guidelines in place regarding certain limitation. Now, financial institutions are not allowed to issue credit card to applicants who meet any one of the following criteria, such as annual income including non-employment income at least $30,000 and total net worth asset of exceeding 2 million or $2 million. Now, total net financial asset of exceeding 1 million or $1 million. Likewise, annual income including non-employment income at least $15,000 and total net personal asset exceeding $750,000. A guarantor whose annual income is at least $30,000. This is what determines a credit limit assigned to a new Bank of Singapore credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.